Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Volkswagen Tiguan with a key. First, you'll need to find the hidden keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Many modern cars conceal this for a cleaner look. Gently remove the small plastic cap that covers the keyhole. It usually pops off with a little leverage. Once exposed, simply insert your physical key and turn it clockwise to manually unlock the door. This method is perfect if your key fob battery is dead or not working. After successfully unlocking the door, you can now open the driver's side door. Don't be alarmed if your car's security system activates and the alarm starts sounding. This is a common occurrence when manually unlocking a vehicle that typically uses a remote. To quickly silence the alarm, simply insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. This action usually disarms the security system and allows you to start your Tiguan as usual. If you find yourself frequently using the manual unlock method, it's a strong indicator that your key fob battery might be dead or very low. Most Volkswagen key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Replacing it is a simple process that can save you future hassle. It's always a good idea to keep a spare battery in your glove compartment, just in case. This ensures you're prepared for any unexpected battery failures. To avoid future manual unlocking situations, regularly test your key fob's range and ensure it's working correctly. If you notice a decrease in range, it's likely time for a new battery. Also, consider having a spare physical key cut and stored in a safe, accessible place. This provides an extra layer of security and convenience. Remember, for more great tips and deals, including that fantastic link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below. We've got some excellent resources waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.